What if 1 minute on your phone cost you a moment you will never get back? Hello, friends. This is an English moral story for beginners. Learn new vocabulary, sentences, and the value of time. Let's begin. Ryan was a smart boy, but he had one problem. He was always on his phone. He played games in the morning, he scrolled videos in the afternoon, and at night he forgot to sleep on time. One day his grandfather came to visit. Let's have tea together, Grandpa said. Ryan smiled but didn't leave his phone. He said, "Just 1 minute, Grandpa." That 1 minute became 1 hour. When Ryan came out, Grandpa had left. That night, Ryan felt sad. He missed a moment he could never get back. The next morning, Ryan did something new. He kept his phone in a drawer. He sat with his family, helped his mother, and talked with friends. He learned something important. Phones are tools, not life. Real time, real people, they matter more. Moral of the story: time is life. Don't scroll it away. The real gift is time. Use it with your family, not just your phone. Let's learn few new words from the story. Scroll, meaning move up or down on a screen. Sentence: Ryan scrolled videos on his phone all day. Drawer, meaning a box inside furniture to keep things. Sentence: He kept his phone in the drawer. Moment, meaning a short special time. Sentence: That moment with Grandpa never came back. Tool, meaning something that helps do work. Sentence: A phone is a tool, not your whole life. Forgot, meaning didn't remember. Sentence: He forgot to talk to his grandfather. Couch, meaning a soft seat for two or more than two people. Sentence: Ryan sat on the couch with his phone. So, friends, did you like the story? Subscribe to Hushi Story Hub for more English stories. Also, like